last two lines, it's gonna be the repetition from the first and second line. Okay, let's go from the very beginning. Fourth finger down on D string and G, F sharp, E, D, 2, 3, sharp, and E, F sharp, and then G down, 2, and then lift up, and second line, G down, F sharp, E, 2, 3. Up to here it's the same, but from here on it's slightly different. And E, F sharp, and then G down, 2, 3. And third line, B down, and then do the same thing one more time. B, C, D, and then C, B, A, and then D string, G, 2, and string crossing to A string again, 2, and B down, 2, 3, and then fourth line, and then C, B, A, and here it's a little different. E down, 1, 2, F sharp, 2, and then G down, 2, 3, and fifth line we're going to do A, B, C, C, 2, B, A, G, 2, A, B, C, B, B down again, D down. This line is quite tricky for the fifth line, so if you have hard time, please go over a few times. And then sixth line, and then here it's a little different. B, A, G, and then A string again, and B, and then E, 2, F sharp, 2, G sharp, G. And then remember, after sixth line, we go back to the very first line. G, F sharp, E, D, 2, 3, E, F sharp, G, D. Remember, G down, F sharp, E, D, 2, 3, E, F sharp, G. You did a wonderful job. As you can already see, two lines are very similar. 1, 2 is very similar, 3, 4 is similar, 5 and 6 is very similar, and the last two lines is a repetition from the very first and second line. Okay guys, let's go back to beginning and play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go! Great job, everyone. So please let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment, and if you have any concerns, please let me know as well. I hope you have a great, wonderful day. Bye-bye.